What's up, cooks? It's Black Friday, and we are headed out to the Fortessa outlet store. Every year we go to this sale. It is fantastic. Fortessa is a manufacturer of high-end tableware. So we're talking dinnerware, serveware, flatware, all that fun stuff. They have a fantastic outlet store, and on Black Friday, it's off the chain. So join me. We're headed out to the Fortessa Better Than Black Friday sale. Those are beautiful. I'm about to go crazy in here.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the
too deep for dipping sauces. I don't know what you do with that.
They're $1. I definitely want some of these. It's like for drinks.
Are you thirsty, boo?
Or serving plates. That one's 80.
Oh, look, it's pretty big. You can make a little pasta in this bad boy.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh, they got a big old 7-piece
How
set
much
here.
is that set?
I don't know. You have to read it. I don't know what the price tag is.
95.
I know, I see.
They got a lot of half pans. I like these. How much are these? At the
They got
stainless.
these things. Pretty cheap.
Is it stainless?
I don't know what. Feels aluminum maybe. It's only like $3.50.
Oh, those are nice. They're rolled up. How much are those?
Is there a price there?
$140.
The price is right. He likes knives.
These knives.
He likes knives. Hi, Winco. Springform pans.
Good.
Look how fancy the box is. Don't know what the price is. Probably cheap. Gotta get USA pans. Hi, ma'am. Do you want a small guacamole or do you want a big one?
Yeah, large. I'll take large.
Yeah, supersize me.
Oh, girl.
Is there a price on the bottom?
It's just open on the bottom.
Oh, so that's where you're supposed to use it.
You can go down the pole on it, Lou. Okay, so my cart is full and I'm ready to go. I'm tired. I'll show you what I got when we get home.
I don't know. We got a bunch of stuff here. We're gonna go to checkout. Amy actually wore herself out. Can you believe that? Amy wore herself out.